If you are driving a diesel and suddenly notice your fuel economy is tanking, or there is a cloud of extra smoke behind you, there is a good chance your car is dealing with the diagnostic trouble code P2200. This code is specifically related to the nitrogen oxide sensor circuit on bank 1. Since 1996, emission laws have become incredibly strict, and your engine control module is constantly trying to keep the air clean by monitoring the hydrocarbons coming out of your exhaust. Diesel engines are known for being workhorses, but they also produce a lot of soot, and that soot is the natural enemy of your sensors. The nitrogen oxide sensor sits right in the path of that dirty exhaust, and over time, it can get absolutely caked in debris until it can no longer read the levels correctly. When that happens, the computer gets confused and triggers the code, which can cause your engine to idle roughly or run inefficiently. Bank 1 is always the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is located, so that is where you will find the sensor in the pipe. While an emission code might not feel as urgent as a brake problem, it is still something you should look at quickly to avoid further damage to your exhaust system. The tricky part is that these sensors go through thousands of heat cycles, which means they often get seized into the exhaust pipe. If you are going to try and remove it, you might need to apply some heat to the threaded area, but you have to be very careful not to point that heat directly at the sensor body, or you will definitely destroy it. A common mistake is replacing the sensor immediately when often a good cleaning or a simple fix to a melted wire harness is all that is actually needed. Always check the connectors for corrosion because they are exposed to snow, salt, and road debris every single day. Taking a moment to inspect the wiring for any signs of melting from the hot exhaust can save you from buying a part you do not actually need.